and especially the proposals that have been put there in terms of privatizing the sector, allowing private players to come in and play a significant role. Water is a basic requirement of life, and it must be availed to the population in a manner that is not exploitative. It must be availed in a manner that people don't make profit out of it. I think there's a petition from Runda, the Nairobi County Assembly, where there's a private company supplying water there, and they're complaining they're paying about 5-6 times what the Nairobi City Council, Nairobi Water is charging. So a private player will come in to make profit on a basic commodity. And that's what my concern is. The water should remain with the municipalities, and the municipalities will just ensure efficiency so that water can be availed in proper quantities. Otherwise, private actors will say, okay, the informal settlement may not be able to afford this water at what we want to charge. So the water will not go there. So I would really want that we look at the issue of privatizing this sector, or allowing private actors to come and play a significant role at the base level. If you want to go and purify the water and sell them in bottles, you can do that. But to sell water in the pipes, and then when you sell this water and when you put a company to sell water in an area in pipes, how would you distinguish water? How would you allow competition in that area? Will an area be bound by the person who laid pipes in that area, that they can only get water from that vendor, not from the other vendor? So, Madam Speaker, I think that it will be most inappropriate and will go against the rights of Article 43, where the state has an obligation to provide water, clean water in quantities that are required. If we put in private players to supply a basic commodity like that, the market is driven by profit. And that drive is going to distort water, and water is going to be owned by the elite. The poor people will have no access.
There's no. Oh, there is something. Senator Cheruyot.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I wish to make my contribution to this, the Water Amendment Bill of 2023, which is a bill or an act of Parliament to provide for PPPs arrangement for
Senator Cheruyot, you're replying to the motion?
No, contributing.
You moved it, huh?
Oh, yeah. No.
You actually moved. It was moved in the last session. Last session? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I'll allow you to speak. I'll allow you to speak. You want to reply? Unless there's anybody else who wants to speak. Is there anybody else who wants to speak? Do you wish to speak? Okay. Senator Omtata.
Madam Speaker, I rise to address major concerns in the proposed amendments to the way water as a commodity is going to be handled.